model, 2021 Renault Trucks Master 2.3 Luton low loader non-runner repair Euro 6 Vat Inc. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 16000. MOT, the 7th of April 2026. Engine, 2299 cc 150 HP 6D temp, light duty, front wheel drive. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and wont turnover, engine has seized, injectors missing, didn't come with the van, engine needs repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: sat-nav, cruise control, air-con, electric windows. Euro status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Contact us, 0156433